Hello everyone, it's Dan here from TommusRhodus Support. In this video I'm going to take you through the theme options available within Belton for WordPress. So to begin with, to head to the theme options, you've got a couple of choices. You can either hit the customize link in the admin bar here, or if you're in your dashboard, just give me a moment just to load this up, you can head to appearance and customize there. Now once you're within the theme options, it should be very familiar to you as this has been a part of WordPress for quite some time, and as you'll see you've got some default options here, such as the ID for your favicon, etc., as well as our own custom ones here. I'm going to go through these one by one just so you get an idea of how they work. Okay, so to begin with we've got the update settings. Now this is an area where we allow you to easily update your theme, providing you can give us your username and API key to verify. Now if you do want to go ahead and set this up so you can easily upgrade when we release updates, then we will provide a separate video tutorial for that, so do check that out. Next up we've got the site identity area. This is where you can specify your title and tagline, as well as the site icon or favicon. Next up we've got the colours area. Now this is where you can specify your own colours for, say, white text, the white area background and so on. Just to show you, if I set these to a few random colours. Obviously I would suggest to pick and choose your styling a little bit more, but you can see here how that all works. Next up, below the colours, we've got the background image area, which isn't really used here, so that one can be ignored so much. We've got the menu area here where you can create and build your own menus. I personally prefer to use the dedicated area under appearance and menus, however it just gives you a bit more room to work with. Next up we've got the widget area. This is where you can add your own widgets to the provided areas here. Again, I prefer to use the dedicated screen available under the dashboard, under the appearance menu. Next up after that we've got the home page settings. This is where you can specify your static home page and blog page. If you've imported the demo data in our previous videos, then this will be set up for you, so if you want to change that to one of the other demo pages you can do here. Finally, for the WordPress default options, we've got the additional CSS area. So if you're a bit of a developer and you want to style things to even more your tastes, then you can do so here. Next up we've got the site settings. So here you can enable or disable the preloader, as well as specify the text that's displayed within it. And then we've got the typography area. Now this is where you can specify your own body and heading font, as well as supply the correct URL for your font from Google. And then below this we've got the header settings. So first up we've got the area where you can specify your light and dark logos, and below this you've got another area where you can add your own social icons to the header as you wish. Just scroll up, you can see these take effect just here. And below this we've got the portfolio archive settings. This is where you can choose the title and subtitle for your portfolio archive page. Same for the theme, you can specify the title there. And then finally in the footer settings you can choose the copyright message, which appears in the left and right here. Obviously we provide one for you, but you can tweak that as you wish. And that's it. I will point out these may change slightly. Obviously we are adding and tweaking these options all the time. If you do have any suggestions, anything you'd like to see, then do let us know. Other than that, I hope this has been useful. Thanks for watching.